Today, our client is gonna be getting an upgrade. Currently has these bullet Lorex cams. What we're gonna be doing today is we're going to be adding a junction box and upgrading the camera itself for these dome Lorex cameras, which have color night vision. They are 4K. These are 4K as well, but they're not color night vision, they're just infrared. So definitely getting an upgrade with these cameras, as well as the protection of the cables with the junction box to avoid any corrosion on the cables and just keep everything nice and protected, waterproof. Along with that, we'll be placing all that on these siding blocks, which makes it look pretty, just aesthetically making it look pretty. Making it look good, making it work good, and you know how we do, we make it right all the time. Right now I'm just removing some of these clips just so I can have access to pull the cables apart. I'm gonna be taking this camera off, and like I said, replacing it with the new cameras. First I wanna take this off. I wanna make sure that the placement is right. I wanna make sure that the cables are gonna be pretty, placed well. So let me just jump on that right away. These are actually pretty cool. They have this feature here that you can slide this forward to cover, so that if any rainfall, it's covering the camera and it's not impeding the view or anything like that. There we go. Still good cameras, very good cameras. Definitely built tough. So now we're doing the front, just removing these cameras so we can go ahead and mount. We're gonna be bringing this particular camera down. The owner, their customer wants a little bit closer view of the front of his house and the front door, anybody passing through. So what we're gonna do is bring it down about 2 feet, and that's gonna allow for the camera to catch a little bit better features, better detail, a little more close up. And obviously these cameras have the ability to zoom. When you're in your app, you wanna be able to glance at it and see everything at just looking at it on site. I want to see something horizontal, something straight. So I look at the cars in the background and I say, okay, those are running straight for me. So if I'm looking at it in real life, that's how it should look. So we bring it down 2 feet. That'll give them a little bit better view, a little closer, a little more detail with features and everything. So it's gonna be good.